The early mornings in Thailand's deep rainforest offer an unparalleled experience of solitude and connection with nature. The quietude, paired with the enchanting sounds of gibbons, invites contemplation and appreciation for the beauty that exists in the world's untouched landscapes. It is a reminder of the importance of preserving such ecosystems, where silence and sound intertwine to create a sanctuary of life. The early morning hours present a serene and vivid tableau of nature, particularly exemplified by the majestic helmeted hornbill, Rhinoceros vigil. As dawn breaks, the vibrant hues of the sky illuminate the landscape, casting a gentle light upon the lush canopies where the striking bird resides. With its robust build and distinctive casque, the helmeted hornbill is a remarkable avian species endemic to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. Upon taking flight at daybreak, the helmeted hornbill ascends gracefully to the treetops. This ascent is not merely a quest for elevation, but a purposeful endeavor to seek sustenance. The striking plumage of this bird creates a mesmerizing display against the verdant backdrop, capturing the attention of any observer. With keen eyesight and acute awareness, it navigates the high branches in search of ripe fruits, which constitute a significant portion of its diet. The adaptation of the helmeted hornbill to its arboreal habitat is particularly noteworthy. It exhibits unique foraging behaviors, often utilizing its formidable bill to access hard-to-reach fruits. This behavior highlights the species' ecological role as a seed disperser, contributing to the vitality of the forest ecosystem. The early morning flights of the helmeted hornbill encapsulate the intricate relationship between wildlife and its environment. Its quest for fruit not only sustains the bird, but also plays a crucial part in the health of tropical forests, underscoring the importance of preserving such habitats for the survival of this magnificent species. The call of the rhinoceros hornbill, characterized by a series of low-pitched resonant tones, serves a pivotal purpose in attracting a mate. During the breeding season, males vocalize their presence, utilizing these calls to announce their readiness and suitability as partners. This avian symphony resonates beautifully against the backdrop of the forest, a reminder of nature's rhythm and the importance of communication in the animal kingdom. The rhinoceros hornbill is particularly noted for its unique reproductive behavior. After establishing a pair bond, the female seeks refuge in a tree cavity, where she seals herself in with a wall of mud and feces, leaving only a small opening to receive food from her mate. Consequently, the male's early morning call not only signifies his presence, but also his commitment to the nurturing of their offspring. This ritual exemplifies the profound connection between sound and survival, highlighting the essential role of vocalizations in the life cycle of this extraordinary bird. As the day awakens, the wrinkled hornbill engages in the purposeful act of foraging for fruit, showcasing its dietary preference that predominantly revolves around figs and other tropical fruits. With an agile leap, it employs its elongated bill to deftly extract succulent morsels from the branches. This feeding behavior not only sustains the bird itself, but plays a vital ecological role, as it facilitates seed dispersal, thus contributing to the regeneration of the forest. The male's striking appearance, characterized by a strikingly curved bill and a vibrant, ornate casque atop its head, serves both functional and social purposes. This ornamental feature is crucial for attracting potential mates and establishing dominance within social hierarchies. The early morning light accentuates its colors, transforming the bird into a living embodiment of the wilderness. The early morning tableau of the male wrinkled hornbill foraging for fruit exemplifies the delicate interplay between species and flora in its natural habitat. This ritual not only underscores the beauty of avian life, but also highlights the essential role these creatures play in maintaining the ecological balance of their environment. The wrinkled hornbill stands as a testament to the intricate connections woven within the natural world, inviting us to appreciate and protect the biodiversity that surrounds us. The male wrinkled hornbill, distinguished by its distinctively wrinkled facial features and vibrant plumage, commands attention as it perches gracefully upon a branch. This bird, a member of the Bornean biodiversity, epitomizes the intricate web of life that thrives within its tropical habitat. In tropical regions, afternoons often herald soaring temperatures that challenge the resilience of local wildlife. Among the creatures that have adapted to these high temperatures is the green-billed malcoha, Phoenicophaeus viridirostris, a bird renowned for its unique behaviors and striking appearance. Observations reveal that during the peak of the day, when the sun's rays are at their harshest, the green-billed malcoha engages in a fascinating ritual, swimming to cool its body. The instinctual behavior of swimming serves multiple purposes for the green-billed malcoha. Firstly, it provides relief from the oppressive heat, allowing the bird to regulate its body temperature effectively. The act of immersing itself in water not only cools the malcoha, but also invigorates it, making it more active and alert for the remainder of the day. Secondly, this daily communion with water serves a social function, as these birds are often seen interacting with one another while bathing, thereby reinforcing social bonds within their flock. Ecologically, the presence of the green-billed malcoha and its affinity for water showcases the importance of environmental resources in supporting wildlife. Water bodies become sanctuaries for various species, offering both sustenance and relief from temperature extremes. Consequently, the malcoha's swimming behavior exemplifies a broader theme of adaptation to climate conditions, illustrating the intricate connections between wildlife and their habitats. The green-billed malcoha's daily swimming ritual amidst the sweltering afternoon heat not only highlights the adaptive strategies employed by avian species, but also emphasizes the significance of preserving natural habitats. Understanding such behaviors enriches our appreciation for the complexities of ecological systems and the remarkable abilities of creatures to thrive in the face of environmental challenges. During the dry season, when water sources become scarce, the common emerald dove exemplifies the search for sustenance in an increasingly challenging ecosystem. Its presence at a small waterhole speaks volumes about the dove's ability to navigate turbulent climatic conditions. The shimmering greens and browns of its feathers blend harmoniously with the surrounding foliage, allowing the dove to remain relatively inconspicuous. A vital trait in a landscape where hydration is fiercely contested among various species. As the dove approaches the water's edge, its careful demeanor highlights the instinctual caution required for survival. The waterhole, often a focal point for a range of wildlife, presents both a resource and a potential threat. The dove's behavior is a study in deliberation, as it sips from the water while maintaining an acute awareness of its surroundings. Herein lies a profound example of nature's equilibrium. The interdependence of flora, fauna, and water underscores the delicate balance that sustains life, particularly in arid regions. Furthermore, the act of drinking becomes a moment of vulnerability, emphasizing the need for conservation efforts aimed at protecting not only the common emerald dove, but also the fragile ecosystems it inhabits. As climate patterns continue to shift, it is imperative to recognize the interconnectedness of all species and the urgent necessity of preserving natural habitats. The sighting of a common emerald dove at a small waterhole during the dry season serves as a poignant reminder of nature's resilience and fragility. By understanding the challenges these birds face in their search for water, we gain valuable insights into the broader environmental issues that demand our attention and action. Such observations encourage a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that thrives in even the most adverse conditions. Within the national protected areas of Thailand, these birds can commonly be observed foraging near forest edges and roadsides, where they seek out insects and other invertebrates, essential components of their diet. This behavior underscores the adaptability of the Siamese fireback to varying habitats within the tropics, illustrating their reliance on both dense forest cover and accessible feeding grounds. The juxtaposition of male and female Siamese firebacks foraging together serves as a poignant reminder of the intricate balances within these ecosystems. While males often stand out due to their flamboyant coloring, females play a crucial role in nurturing the next generation, typically in hidden nests, crafted from grasses and leaves deep within thickets. This cooperative dynamic is vital for the continued survival of the species, facilitating both feeding and nesting in the vibrant yet fragile milieu of Thailand's forests. Preserving the habitats of the Siamese fireback is critical as their populations face threats from deforestation and habitat fragmentation. National protected areas serve as sanctuaries, but ongoing conservation efforts remain necessary to ensure that these remarkable birds, emblematic of Thailand's rich biodiversity, continue to thrive in their natural surroundings. The habitat of the Siamese fireback primarily consists of dense tropical forests, including deciduous and evergreen woodlands. These birds are often found in areas with thick undergrowth, which offers protection from potential predators and ideal nesting conditions. The Siamese fireback exhibits a preference for moist lowland forests and is often associated with secondary growth, where the vegetation is lush and supports a rich diversity of flora and fauna. Their diet consists mainly of seeds, fruits, and small invertebrates, which they forage from the forest floor. Understanding the specific characteristics and habitat of the Siamese fireback is crucial for conservation efforts aimed at preserving this vibrant species amid the threats posed by habitat destruction and hunting. A concerted effort is required to protect the ecological integrity of their forest environments, ensuring that future generations may continue to appreciate the beauty of these captivating birds. In the early morning hours, the Depp rainforest awakens to the resonant call of the gibbon, a distinctive sound that reverberates through the dense foliage. This primate, known for its acrobatic prowess and social behavior, exemplifies the intricate relationships that exist within the ecosystem. As dawn breaks, the gibbon emerges from its nocturnal repose, eager to begin its daily rituals. The gibbon is particularly drawn to the banyan fruit, a vital food source that sustains its diet. With agility and grace, the gibbon ascends the towering trees, its long limbs facilitating deft movements among the branches. The banyan tree, with its expansive canopy and sprawling roots, provides not only nourishment, but also a habitat teeming with life. As the gibbon forages, its presence plays a crucial role in the ecological balance of the rainforest. By consuming fruits and dispersing seeds, the gibbon contributes to the regeneration of plant species, thereby ensuring the continued vitality of its environment. This mutualistic relationship underscores the importance of each organism within this biodiverse habitat. The early morning calls of the gibbon mark the beginning of a new day in the Depp rainforest. As it climbs for banyan fruit, the gibbon embodies the delicate interconnections that define life within this extraordinary ecosystem. The harmony of nature, as witnessed in these daily rituals, serves as a poignant reminder of the intricate web of existence that binds all living beings together. One of the most notable habits of the gibbon is its arboreal lifestyle. The species spends the majority of its life in trees, showcasing a form of locomotion known as brachiation. This method involves swinging from branch to branch using its long arms, which are well suited for such movement. This adaptation not only aids in foraging for food, primarily consisting of fruit, leaves, and flowers, but also serves as a means of evading terrestrial predators. Social structure among gibbons is another significant aspect of their habits. They typically live in small family groups, comprising a monogamous pair and their offspring. This social organization promotes collaboration in activities such as childcare and territory defense, facilitating a cohesive family unit. Communication plays a vital role in their social interactions, with distinct vocalizations that serve to establish territory and strengthen social bonds. Moreover, the gibbon exhibits a diurnal pattern of activity, which aligns with its foraging behaviors. Active during the day, gibbons utilize the hours of sunlight to seek sustenance while also engaging in play and social interaction with their group members. This routine enhances their physical fitness and social cohesion, essential factors for survival in the competitive rainforest ecosystem. The LR gibbon epitomizes the intricate relationship between its physical adaptations and behavioral habits in the rainforest. Through arboreal locomotion, social structures, and diurnal activity patterns, these remarkable primates not only navigate their habitat efficiently, but also contribute to the ecological balance of their environments. Understanding their habits is crucial for conservation efforts aimed at preserving these fascinating creatures and their diminishing habitats. In the heart of the rainforest, where the canopy soars high above and the symphony of life reverberates through the air, a remarkable phenomenon unfolds when the wild banyan fruit ripens. This event, a natural spectacle, is not merely a seasonal occurrence, but a grand assembly of avian life. Particularly the majestic great hornbill. The convergence of these magnificent birds to partake in the feast offered by the wild banyan fruit is a celebration of nature's bounty, a vivid illustration of the intricate relationships that define the ecosystem of the rainforest. The wild banyan tree, known for its sprawling branches and aerial roots, serves as a vital component of the rainforest's biodiversity. Its fruit, small and succulent, becomes a beacon for various wildlife during the ripening season. As the fruit transitions from a hard green state to a luscious ripe offering, it emits a sweet aroma that wafts through the underbrush, signaling to the inhabitants of the forest that a feast is at hand. The ripening of the wild banyan fruit is not just a singular event. It marks the onset of a communal gathering that attracts an array of birds, mammals, and insects, all drawn by the promise of nourishment. Among the many species that flock to the wild banyan tree, the great hornbill stands out with its impressive size and striking appearance. With a wingspan that can exceed 4 feet and a distinctive casque atop its beak, the great hornbill is a sight to behold. Its plumage, a vibrant mix of yellow, black, and white, complements the lush greens of the rainforest, making it a living embodiment of the vibrancy of this ecosystem. The great hornbill is not merely an observer of this event. It plays a crucial role in the dispersal of seeds, thus contributing to the health and sustainability of the forest. As the time for the wild banyan fruit's ripening approaches, the atmosphere within the rainforest transforms. The air is filled with a palpable sense of excitement and anticipation. Birds of various species begin to gather, their calls creating a cacophony that resonates through the trees. The great hornbills, with their loud, boisterous calls, lead the chorus, announcing their arrival and readiness to partake in the feast. This gathering is not only a display of the birds' social behavior, but also an essential aspect of their survival strategy. The abundance of fruit provides them with the necessary energy to sustain themselves, especially in preparation for the challenges of the upcoming seasons. The act of feeding on the wild banyan fruit is a sight to behold. The great hornbills, with their powerful beaks, deftly pluck the ripe fruit from the branches, often consuming it whole. Their feeding behavior is not just a solitary act. It is a communal experience as they engage with one another in a display of social interaction. The joy of feeding is palpable. The birds exhibit behaviors that suggest a sense of satisfaction and contentment, their vibrant plumage contrasting beautifully against the lush backdrop of the rainforest. This scene is a testament to the interconnectedness of life in the rainforest, where the actions of one species can have far-reaching implications for the ecosystem as a whole. The significance of this gathering extends beyond mere sustenance. It serves as a reminder of the delicate balance that exists within the rainforest ecosystem. The great hornbills, while enjoying the bounty of the wild banyan fruit, inadvertently play a pivotal role in the propagation of the tree itself. As they consume the fruit, they facilitate seed dispersal, allowing new banyan trees to take root and flourish in other parts of the forest. This process is crucial for maintaining the diversity of plant life within the rainforest, which in turn supports a myriad of other species, creating a complex web of life that is both resilient and dynamic. Moreover, the ripening of the wild banyan fruit and the subsequent gathering of the great hornbills symbolize the cyclical nature of life in the rainforest. Each year, as the seasons change and the fruit ripens, the same ritual unfolds, connecting generations of birds and other wildlife in a shared experience. This cycle is a reflection of the broader rhythms of nature, where birth, growth, decay, and renewal are inextricably linked. The rainforest, with its myriad inhabitants, thrives on these cycles, demonstrating the importance of each species in maintaining the health and vitality of the ecosystem. The gathering of the great hornbills to feast on the wild banyan fruit is a remarkable event that encapsulates the essence of life in the rainforest. It is a celebration of nature's bounty, a vivid illustration of the interconnectedness of species, and a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains the ecosystem. As the great hornbills congregate amidst the vibrant foliage, their presence serves as a testament to the beauty and complexity of the natural world. This annual spectacle, often unseen by human eyes, is a poignant reminder of the wonders of the rainforest and the vital relationships that underpin its existence. In a time when the preservation of such ecosystems is increasingly threatened, the story of the great hornbill and the wild banyan fruit is one that deserves to be told and cherished, for it embodies the spirit of resilience and harmony that nature so profoundly exemplifies. The rich tapestry of life within the rainforest is an intricate web of interconnected ecosystems wherein countless species coexist and interact in an environment that is both vibrant and dynamic. Among the myriad phenomena that characterize these biomes, one of the most astonishing is the congregation of diverse wildlife during a remarkable event: the collective feast on fruits produced by various tree species. This occurrence, often unseen or overlooked by the casual observer, offers profound insights into the relationships between animals, plants, and the delicate balance of their ecosystem. The sheer beauty of this event is underscored by the diversity of species that partake in the feast. From the smallest insects to majestic birds and playful mammals, countless creatures gather to indulge in the sweetness of the fruits. Birds, in particular, play a crucial role in this phenomenon. The brilliant plumage of parrots, toucans, and other bird species paints a lively tableau against the backdrop of lush green foliage. Their joyous calls fill the air, creating an orchestra of sounds that is both enchanting and uplifting. As these avian creatures flit from branch to branch, they not only consume the fruits, but also contribute to the health of the forest by dispersing seeds, thus ensuring the regeneration of plant life. Witnessing this convergence of wildlife can evoke feelings of awe and wonder, as it represents the harmonious interplay between species. The scene is often characterized by an atmosphere of exuberance and vitality, punctuated by the vibrant colors and enticing fragrances that emanate from the ripening fruits. It is a vivid reminder of the interconnectedness of life. Here in the rainforest, the survival of one species is intrinsically linked to another. The act of feeding becomes not merely a means of sustenance, but also a communal celebration of existence, punctuated by the joy of shared experience amidst the backdrop of a thriving ecological community. However, while this picturesque gathering exemplifies the resilience and wonder of nature, it also serves as a clarion call for conservation. The rainforest ecosystem faces myriad threats, from deforestation to climate change, which jeopardize the delicate balance that allows such spectacular events to occur. As human activity encroaches upon these vital habitats, the number of species that can participate in these fruiting feasts is diminishing. The very fabric of biodiversity is at risk, threatening not only the animals that rely on these resources, but also the health of the entire ecosystem. To combat these challenges, there is a global imperative to engage in and promote conservation efforts aimed at preserving the integrity of rainforests. This means implementing sustainable practices, advocating for the protection of natural habitats, and fostering an appreciation for the wonders of nature among communities worldwide. Education and awareness are pivotal in encouraging future generations to cherish and protect these vital ecosystems. Initiatives aimed at restoring degraded habitats and maintaining biodiversity must be prioritized, as they hold the key to ensuring that moments of communal feeding and the magic of wildlife gatherings persist for years to come. Thank you once again for joining this journey. Together, let us nurture a deeper connection with nature and advocate for its preservation for generations to come. Your viewership not only enriches our community, but also amplifies the message that every creature and habitat deserves our respect and protection. Thank each of you for watching and supporting my channel. Let us continue to explore, learn, and advocate for the wonders of forest wildlife, ensuring that these magnificent ecosystems thrive for generations to come.